This recipe, ooh, if you're struggling with weight loss resistance and low iron levels, you will want to consider adding this simple Asian quinoa salad to your diet. This recipe is the perfect recipe. Did I mention tasty? Way to increase your iron levels, energy, and help counter the effects of weight loss resistance, aka weight gain. First, let's talk about weight loss resistance. For a number of years, I struggled to lose weight despite all my best efforts. Workout routines, diet plans, cold bath plunges, fasting, you name it, I've probably given it a go. Weight loss is largely a calories in, calories out dance. However, there are other vital factors, yes, including hormonal imbalances, stress, and poor diet choices that contributes to our weight loss struggles. How aware are you that one of the most common causes of weight loss resistance is insulin resistance? Insulin is a hormone that we all have. It regulates our blood sugar levels. When we eat foods that are high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, our bodies produce more insulin. If we engage in activities that uses the production of this insulin as energy, as a source of energy, we either maintain our weight or lose weight. On the flip side, if we don't utilize the energy from that production of insulin, our bodies will store it, creating more fat storage hormone. Over time, the lack of using insulin to support activity can lead to insulin resistance, which makes it harder for our bodies to burn fat. The good news is that there are foods that can help improve insulin sensitivity and promote weight loss. Quinoa is one such food. Quinoa is a complex carbohydrate that is high in fiber, protein, and digests slowly. That is a winning combination for regulating our blood sugar levels and preventing insulin spikes, especially if we are not going to be active. In addition, quinoa is low in calories and unhealthy fat, making it a great option for weight loss. Once I hit 45 and perimenopause, my energy levels were a distant memory. Come to discover, my iron and ferritin levels had gotten even lower than ever. I've always had low iron, but this was dangerously low in my opinion. The doctor didn't agree. Iron is an essential mineral that we need for the production of hemoglobin, a protein in our red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout our body. Did I say oxygens with an S? Oh my goodness. That carries oxygen throughout our body. So why is that a big deal? When we don't get enough iron, we are setting ourselves up to develop iron deficiency anemia, which can cause fatigue, weakness, and hinder weight loss. The good news is that there are foods combined in this Asian quinoa salad that can help increase our iron levels and assist in moving us out of weight loss resistance zone. Toast 1 cup of quinoa over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes until the seeds start to crackle and become fragrant like nutty. Remove from the pan and allow it to cool down completely. Thoroughly wash the seeds. Add to a pot with 1 1/4 cup water. Cover and bring to a boil on the stovetop. Reduce the heat to low. Cook for 10 minutes or until done. Try not to let the quinoa get too mushy. Place the quinoa into a large bowl and allow it to cool down completely. While the quinoa is doing this thing, saute some red onions, carrots, cucumbers, red cabbage, red peppers, green onions, and cilantro. Gently toss with the quinoa and pour over this dressing. Oh my goodness, this dressing is so good. The dressing has 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon or lime juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use gluten-free soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Drizzle this and combine this over your quinoa salad for extra crunch. Toss with 1/4 cup of nuts of your choice: peanuts, almonds, macadamias, cashew, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, hemp seeds. Enjoy.